Good morning. Stay strong, stay positive, stay healthy, stay home. Welcome our social science class. I hope you all are very well. So, let us start our next topics, chapter 3, our food. Now, let us find out where does the food come from. We get most food items from plants and animals. So student, food items from plants and animals means so many food items given by plants and animals. Food from plants like nuts, oil, fruit, pulses, vegetables. As plant provide us vegetables, coffees, etc. So many items, food from plants. And food from animals, animal products are used as food directly or indirectly. Like milk, egg and meat are important example of food items from animals. So student, I think your previous class you are already studied food items from plants and animals. Remember of your EVS class 2? No, no? Okay. So let us start next. Wheat, rice, pulses. Pulses means dal, vegetables, fruits and spice comes from plants. Some vegetables are cooked and some are eaten raw means uncooked. Most fruits are eaten when they are ripe. Dry fruits like almonds, walnuts, pista, etc. are first dried and then eaten. Some pictures in your fruit items. Look at this. Spices are an important part of Indian cooking. Some spices are eaten fresh as well as in dry form like ginger, turmeric, etc. Most spices are dry and then used like pepper, cloves and red chilies. India is the largest producer of spices in the world. So student, India is a very famous of all over world from its spices. Okay, so many spices in India available in India. Do you know more and more people are giving up non-vegetarian food because vegetarian food is healthier and easy to digest as compared to non-vegetarian foods. Do you know, in some parts of the world, cockroaches, snakes, snails and even ant eggs are eaten. We get milk, eggs, mutton, chicken and fish from animals. Different recipes are followed in different states of India for preparing non-vegetarian dishes. So many non-vegetarian dishes in pictures. Do not waste food. Raju went to a birthday party. He picked up a plate and filled it up. He ate only a small portion and put his plate down. Suresh did not like it. He said, "Why did you waste so much food? You should take only a small portion and then take some more if you want." Raju felt sorry and promised never to waste food. So student, when you go to the party, attend a party, then always remember, do not waste the food. Take some small portion of food. Okay? Next point. Some people waste food. They are either greedy or thoughtless. Many children do not finish their tiffin that they bring to school. They should not waste food. There are many people in our country who are very poor and cannot buy food. Moreover, nature gives us food to eat, not to waste. We must become responsible and never waste food, water or electricity. We must eat a balanced diet to remain healthy and happy. 5 principles of foods. First is always buy it with care. Eat a balanced diet. Third is cook it with love. Serve it beautifully. Fifth is take only as much as you need. Never waste food. So student, write the 5 principles of food and read the chapter carefully and discuss our life class in chapter. Okay? I think all our chapter is done and understood the chapter. Have discussed any question, any doubt in this chapter. Discuss our life class. Okay student, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.